Superintendent ki Pulit ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim ule tho bahalor ka jingja ka bede ba ka jingkla no jing hebret ba saus nam karta ubal suba don ketiru kena ba khat lai snam karta kumta ki Pulit ki haban Tohkit ba namar omla ban Tohkit kum yuai pat ki runar ki belhe karta da ka ba ka do ba ka kai pot postmortem ka ong bini hebret laklat na ka jingam ha kumta ka jing Tohkit keranya chikprang bat rengkat ka jing dan lang ka Child Welfare Committee Hakabede pat bar ka jingkla no jong hebret ba news nam karta superintendent ki Pulit ki East Khasi Hills ule tho bagi Pulit kelaya ka kai phot jong ka postmortem ka ba kado ba ka jingkla unu hebret ka dai na ka jingdo mensim ki Pulit dang up saya ka forensic report bat ka special investigation team kadang Bteng man Tohkit halor ka ni ka jingja.
In fact, because it is already ascertained that this 13-year-old was one who murdered. It had taken some time also because the accused is a child and it cannot be treated, in fact, like a normal criminal or adult criminal. So it is only at the aegis of and the monitoring of the Child Welfare Committee that interrogation and examination of the child is done. And as we got permissions and all that, we had examined the child, and in the presence of counselors and all that, we had ascertained that the child was involved. In the beginning, it was that he was there. We ascertained that he was the person who was the sole person who actually was with the child. When the child died, the child died of drowning. Um and we had to ascertain whether it was accidental or was homicidal. Later, we ascertained also after further examinations that it was homicidal. Now we are on we have gone further to try to ascertain whether there was any motive for sexual assault. Though there is no sign of sexual assault on the child, but was there a motive? And that takes a bit of time because we have got incriminating evidence of the child being exposed to a lot of adult content. For the case, the investigation is still on. It is a very complex case. Lots of persons of interest are there. We have got the post-mortem report. We are waiting for more forensic reports to get some more clues. At this juncture, I will not be able to say anything because there are a lot of persons of interest, and SIT is still on its way to investigate and identify who is involved in the murder of that child. In the post-mortem reports? No, the child actually died of uh, asphyxia due to suffocation.